Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to reset your messenger pin, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is simply click on your profile icon at the bottom left corner. Now from here you can find this privacy and safety, or if you're on a mobile device, and then you can find it the three horizontal button at the bottom right corner. Then click on it, where you can find the gear icon or the settings. So in the settings you can find the privacy and safety. Now from here you can find the end-to-end encrypted chat. Simply click on it, and from here you can find message storage here. So you have to simply click on message storage, where you can simply click on it, and here you can find the pin. So simply click on the pin, where if you have created one, then it will show you the reset pin code. And then for example, if I just create a pin code from here, for example, I have just here, you can see it's creating the pin code. Then once it has created, you can go to the same place, privacy and safety, end-to-end encrypted, where you can find this reset pin option here. Simply click on it, and you will be able to create a new pin. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.